The socio-economic growth of Bangladesh has greatly depended on the country's largest export-earning industry, ready-made garments. Today, it accounts for more than 82% of the country's export earnings. We now have the most innovative, sustainable and safest manufacturing facilities in the world. Mahmud Group is a key contributor in the country's developing economy with its involvement in multiple industries. With a family of more than 15,000 employees and 300 professionals, we are working towards becoming the most preferred supplier for major global brands. We are a composite manufacturer producing yarns, fabrics and finished garments. Our core values are an integral part to our success. We are versatile by investing in the latest technologies and training our people to adapt to new innovations. We care for our people by ensuring them a safe, state-of-the-art workplace where we provide on-time benefits and conduct regular trainings in order to build a better living standard.
আমি এই ফ্যাক্টরিতে কাজ করে খুবই স্বাচ্ছন্দ্য বোধ করি কারণ এখানে কাজের পরিবেশ খুবই ভালো। এছাড়াও চিকিৎসা সেবা, গর্ভকালীন ছুটির সুবিধা, ইন্স্যুরেন্স সেবা সহ অনেক সুবিধা পেয়ে থাকি।
At Mahmud, we believe in fashion for nature. Our relentless effort and investment on green infrastructures and trailblazing technologies are aligned with Industry 4.0, enabling us to minimize unnecessary consumption of electricity, water, chemical and dyes in our production. Our Care for Water initiative helps us monitor, reduce and recycle water. Our R&D is dedicated to develop products that will stop becoming a burden on nature. Our state-of-the-art biological ETP ensures our production wastewater is properly filtered and neutralized before it is ready to be discharged back into nature. We plan to become a zero liquid discharge manufacturer by 2025. In pursuit of Go Green, our experts are continuously researching to develop products that are more eco-friendly. Easy Crinkle, making natural crinkle effect without the use of conventional heavy wash techniques. Eco-Fusion, reducing cotton consumption by using it with sustainable alternatives like viscose, tencel and hemp. Alt Denim, incorporating recycled materials as we drive towards a circular economy. L Denim, laser-friendly fabrics that will reduce water consumption at washing. To keep our workplace COVID-free, we are regularly maintaining the 8M precautionary measures for COVID-19 prevention. Mahmud Group dedicates 2.5% of its net earnings per annum on the corporate social responsibilities to build a sustainable society. Mahmud Group is a growing and dominant player in the textile and apparel industry. Our dedication to environment, people, quality and customer service has made it possible for us to create strong and enduring partnerships with brands around the globe.
We are Mahmud Group, a vertical textile and garment manufacturer exporting globally to more than 30 brands. We are committed to give our customers sustainable apparel. We are sourcing eco-friendly, natural and recycled fibers and incorporating latest efficient and green technologies. We are sourcing all our chemicals from ZDHC-approved green manufacturers. We ensure that there is no unnecessary wastage of water, electricity, chemicals and gas throughout our production process. Our in-house built ERP allows us to have better control over our production. We're able to make precise and faster decisions by identifying the bottlenecks and react just in time. Our commitment towards people, environment, and innovative technologies ensures that we deliver ethical and sustainable quality products to our customers with less water, carbon, and chemical footprint. We are committed to build a greener future for a sustainable tomorrow.